In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a required minimum distribution in TurboTax. If you need to report a required minimum distribution or are inside TurboTax, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to find the right section. I'm going to walk you through the exact path in the menu so you can get to the retirement withdrawal area and begin entering the information from your Form 1099-R. Start by moving your cursor to the Income tab at the top of TurboTax. This is where TurboTax groups all of the sections related to money you earned or received during the year, including retirement distributions. Once you're there, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you a full overview of the income categories available in your return. It's helpful because it organizes everything in one place, so you can quickly jump to the area you need without searching through unrelated tax topics. Next, find and click Retirement Plans and Social Security. Since required minimum distributions usually come from retirement accounts, this is the category where TurboTax places those entries. You'll typically use this section for IRA withdrawals, pensions, annuities, and similar distributions. From there, go to IRA 401k. Pension plan withdrawals, also labeled 1099-R. This is the specific section used to enter the tax form that reports your retirement distribution. If you received an RMD, it's generally reported here because the payment is part of your retirement account withdrawal activity. Now, click Start to begin the entry process. TurboTax will guide you through a series of prompts to help you either import your tax form or enter it manually, depending on how your provider makes the information available. When asked, click Yes. This confirms that you do have a retirement distribution to enter and allows TurboTax to continue to the provider lookup step. It's an important part of getting into the correct interview flow for your 1099-R information. After that, look up your provider by name or browse the suggested options shown on the screen. This step helps TurboTax locate the financial institution connected to your retirement distribution. If your provider appears in the list, selecting it may make importing easier. If not, you can continue by choosing the appropriate option and moving forward from there. As a quick tip, before you start, make sure you have your 1099-R available so the details match exactly when you enter them. Taking the moment to confirm the provider name and form information can help prevent mistakes and save time later in the filing process. And that's how to get to the section where you can enter a required minimum distribution in TurboTax.